Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any normal photo into an origami style photo effect in just a few taps. It's no editing skills needed, so let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, you can just download it directly from the Google Play Store, and then after installing, just simply log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer a free plan with weekly free credit, so you can try this effect without paying anything. And once the app is installed and you have logged in, you will land on the home page like this, and then in here, just simply tap on AI filter, and after that, on the new arrival sections, just choose the origami geometry, this effect, and then just tap on it. This filter will transform your photo into a folded paper look with sharp geometric shape, just like origami art. And then next, just choose or upload the photo that you want to transform. For the best result, just use photo with clear lighting and a visible subject, especially portraits or maybe close-up shots. And then next, just upload, for example, like this. And then when you're done selected the photo, just simply tap on Animate like this and wait for the process. And okay, like this. Just like that, your photo is transformed into an origami style artwork like this. It's so cool, it's clean, artistic, and visually unique. It's so cute and unique. The folded geometry gives it a modern, creative look that really stands out like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.